In this video, I'm going to talk about an important subject, the miracle of the Virgin is the topic or the subject. Now we're going to talk about a miracle. Actually, it's a miracle food. It has also been called a superfood. It is none other than virgin coconut oil. There's so much talk about virgin coconut oil. Therefore, I thought I must briefly talk about what virgin coconut oil is and the benefits of virgin coconut oil. Now, virgin coconut oil is not the same as coconut oil. During the process of manufacture of coconut oil, the coconut oil gets exposed to high temperatures, but virgin coconut oil does not. Therefore, it retains its benefit and it retains its composition. You might have already heard that virgin coconut oil is quite rich in what we call the medium chain fatty acids. What are medium chain fatty acids? They are different. They are different to trans fats. They are different to saturated fats. They are different to unsaturated fats. They are also different to the long chain fatty acids that we normally talk about. The medium chain fatty acids get metabolized in the body utilizing a different pathway to the other fats, and they can be converted to ketones, and therefore they can be burnt within the cells as fuel for energy, just like glucose. Now, if somebody is getting demented or the Alzheimer's disease is setting in, this is an important consideration because virgin coconut oil not only treats Alzheimer's symptoms, it also reverses it. There is a fatty acid called lauric acid within virgin coconut oil. Lauric acid is also found in mother's milk. Why would lauric acid be there in mother's milk? That is because the infant needs lauric acid for the development of the central nervous system and the neurons. So if you can consume a food that has lauric acid, it's reasonable to think that lauric acid would help the rejuvenation and repair of your nervous tissue and the brain, and will improve the functioning of the brain. Now, the brain cells has what are called the transport mechanisms or the pumps in the cellular membrane. When there is glucose, the glucose is being pumped by the glucose pump into the cell, and the cell thrives on glucose. But as the Alzheimer's disease is setting in, the pump that transports glucose gets defunct or doesn't work as well. Therefore, the glucose transport across the cell membrane becomes a problem. It doesn't work well. Therefore, the cell can die because there's no glucose to burn as fuel to sustain life. However, the ketone pump does not undergo decay, and it is still there even in the case of somebody who is dementing. So the ketones, therefore, if present in the blood, would be able to cross the cell membrane because the ketone pump is working, and the cell would thrive on ketones, using ketones as fuel. And the cell certainly would not die, cell would thrive, cell would regenerate, and cell would repair itself. This is a reason why virgin coconut oil can be a treatment for Alzheimer's disease. Virgin coconut oil also normalizes your lipid profile. If you have problems with your cholesterol, virgin coconut oil will normalize it and also will aid in loss of weight. It is also a heart healthy food. One reason, of course, could be that it helps the cholesterol profile. It prevents many kinds of cancers in the bowel, in the colon. So virgin coconut oil certainly is a superfood, and what you find in Sri Lanka, the Sri Lankan virgin coconut oil has been called one of the best varieties of virgin coconut oil, and it is available even in supermarkets in Sri Lanka. Therefore, if you add a little bit of virgin coconut oil to your food, that will be a very healthy addition.